A lot of things going wrong with this video. Damn it! And I'm back to try again. I'm all about building skills, using talents, and finding new hobbies. And today I'm going to try to do my makeup in 10 minutes flat. Now, I'm not a makeup guru. I don't do makeup that well. I don't do makeup that often. But I have been practicing with some looks every now and then. And I'm going to try to go out and get out of the house a little bit today. So I figured, why not do this little quick challenge? I'm trying to do something simple, a quick everyday look in 10 minutes. I picked up this wonderful product, Black sister owned, support a sister, Black company, just so you know, called Bella Galore. I picked up a couple products from her. I want to get these things out and prepared so that way I'm not wasting time opening packages and figuring out what I want to do during the 10 minutes. I picked up a Liquid Matte Dreams lipstick. Apparently it does not move, and the other matte lipsticks I have do move a lot. You have to constantly reapply, so it'd be cool to use this if it really doesn't move. And I got it in the color Immortal. I got this Sculpt Brow pencil. I normally just use these cheapo, like dollar store pencils from like CoverGirl that you constantly have to sharpen. There are good reviews about this because of the shape. Apparently the shape is easier. Gold packaging, gorgeous. Magnetic lash glue liner. The special thing about this is supposed to be a lash glue and an eyeliner. I'm supposedly supposed to be able to use this to line my eyes and attach these eyelashes. Now this will be the first time I am, oh, her name is Sasha. I picked these up too, and they don't look too intimidating. Like, you know how people be coming out looking like they're ready to fly? No. I'm not one of those people. They look not that bad. I mean, she'd had all kinds of eyelashes on there, all different types of names on there, different personalities on there. And then I also got this wonderful lip gloss. Can we just talk about packaging for a second? Can we just talk about these rhinestones? Like, gorge. Anyway, I got this wonderful shiny lip gloss. Apparently this looks super shiny. Like, my lips are going to be popping. And it's called Mysterious. Listen, all of these products super cheap already, but then on top of that, she constantly sends out discounts, constantly sends you text messages. Hey, here's 5% off. Here, it's 10% off. She recently had a birthday. Hey, here's some percentages off for that too. She, even with this packaging, she sent me 15% off of $40 promo code. So I love that I don't have to go out and spend an arm and a leg on a product or a makeup product when I'm not a makeup guru. It seems too good to be true for me. So I can't wait to actually get in here and try these products. Let's talk strategy. Products are out already. I'm only going to use these two colors. Pinkish, creamy, salmon kind of color. And I might, if I feel a little spunky, I might throw some sparkle on top of that kind of matches. And then I'm going to go with this light, almost like a highlighter type of color. I already have my makeup out. I already have my Bella Galore products out. Let me put my weave up, get some primer on, and get started. I almost always forget to moist these things, y'all. Almost always. So I'm glad I remembered before I started the timer. But 10 minutes on the clock. Let's start. Okay, 10 minutes. I don't even know if I should do too much on the eyeshadow because I just feel like I'm trying to do a basic face. That's my thing. I'm trying to do a basic face. But I also want to try all these lovely Bella Galore products. And I don't want to like skimp out, you know? I want to do a full review at the same time. So let's see how this goes. Okay, what's next? While I'm waiting for that to dry, I think I will go ahead and do concealer underneath. No, I need foundation. I need foundation. Almost forgot. Quickly cover all angles. Okay, start putting on the colors that I chose for my eyelashes. sparkles, which I'm not gonna change them. I'm not gonna change them because I don't have time. I don't have time to be changing stuff. Like, what is this? Six minutes left? I haven't done anything, y'all. I have 6 minutes left and I haven't even really done anything. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Okay. How did 4 minutes pass that quickly?
Bruh.
What the heck? I'm trying to get as pigmented as possible, but I also don't want to waste too much more time on this. I'm not tapping anything off. I'm just throwing it in on there. Because I ain't got time to be perfectionist with this. Okay, next color, different eye brush. It's gonna be this lighter white color. This like creamy color, which I hope works with it, because if it doesn't, oof. Big oof. But I ain't got time. I ain't got time for none of this boo. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for none of this. 5 minutes. Oh, that's a song right there. Come on, don't tell me that wasn't a hit. Okay, I'm not mad at that. I do kind of wish I had some sparkles, so I am going to go ahead and use this other sparkly white. Tap that. Tap that all on the floor. Come on, y'all. Don't act like you don't remember Akon. That is given. This side is higher than this side. And I don't want to waste any more time on my eyes. I really don't. Bronze. Oh no. Eyebrows. Now this eyebrow pencil, the shape is supposedly better for doing eyebrows. Okay. Oh God, this doesn't really have tips. So now I gotta make this less tippy. Oh God. Anyway. 2 minutes! Ah! Quickly bronze. Quickly bronze. Put some definition back in my face. Oh, I should have did my highlighter first, huh? I'm quite stressed up out. Quickly hide some of that forehead. Think I will do some of this. Oh no, I shouldn't have. I gotta wait till I do my eyelashes. Shoot! Now what do I do? Oh, I didn't even get a chance to conceal underneath. Concealer. I didn't even get a chance to do my like concealer, highlighter, nothing. Like here. Here. So much pressure. I did this backwards. 20 seconds and I am hopefully gonna be at least presentable at the end of it. Well, this is what I would look like if I stopped right now. As you can see, I ain't even fully blended. I ain't ready to go nowhere. Well, oh, I'm disappointed, y'all. I thought I could do it. Maybe I need to build up some type of a routine before trying to do these type of things and then get into, okay, this is what I need to do next. Because my biggest issue was the fact that I kept forgetting what I needed to do next. And doing things all out of order and everything. This eye needs a little more help. I'm going to continue and I'll show y'all how I feel about the new eyelashes and new Bella Galore products. Okay, I done restarted my entire right side. This has been quite a roller coaster, y'all. So I'm going to try this Bella Galore magnetic lash glue liner. My eyelashes are so annoying too. Like, yes, I have long, beautiful eyelashes, but they're so annoying because they constantly fall into my eye and they're always making me like cry and like always itching my eyes and stuff. So my eyelashes are actually kind of hard to work with already. I worry that additional eyelashes will also be trouble. I'm not the best at putting on eyeliner, so I'm just gonna try to go simple. Oh Lord. All right, I'm gonna do this side first. Well, that was messy. Maybe I can clean it up a bit, but I'm not gonna lie, it does feel like I'm putting on glue because my eyelid keeps wanting to move with the brush. So it does seem to be a little bit harder to put on. Look, I got so much gappage and like messiness going on. I don't know what to do, y'all.
I am disgusted.
Well, anyway, before this dries, let me hurry up and well, I don't know if am I supposed to let it dry? I don't really know. How far in am I supposed to put these? Oh, it already wants to connect. I don't know how to put on eyelashes, y'all. Is that evident yet? This edge part is not going down. Maybe I need to cut it in order for it to actually go on my eye. Wow. Wow, he's right. Yeah, this edge is like not working for me, but I'm still just very shocked at, I don't know if I like them, and I don't know if application was done correctly. A lot of things going wrong with this video. I think I'm gonna attempt the eyelashes another day. Whoa, hello, how you doing? Alright, so one positive thing about this video is that I was able to put on this white sweater without getting any makeup on it. So that's one thing. I'm gonna have to try this challenge again. I'm all about being open-minded and free-spirited when doing these things. So it's best for me to go and attack this challenge again. See if it's actually impossible for me to do makeup, a makeup face in 10 minutes. Apparently, as of today, I can't, but I will try again. The birds are really, really loud today. Can y'all shut up? Make sure you like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see my new attempt at this next week. So anything you try at life, make sure you're open-minded and free-spirited so that way you can continue to be prosperous. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very, very disappointed that I couldn't beat this challenge today, but I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. Check the description for information on the Bella Galore site and for the promo code as well, and for the producer of this music. Of the music of this video as well. And make sure you follow me on all social medias. It's probably on the screen somewhere. And I will see you all next week. Bye-bye. Here comes the true test of the Bella Galore matte lipstick. No rings. Not bad at all.